Have you ever tried checking out on Temu only to see that annoying minimum spend limit pop up? In today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest and safest way to remove the Temu minimum spend limit in 2025. It's simple, it works, and you can do it in under a minute once you know where to look. Let's get right into it. A lot of people think you need to contact customer service or wait hours for support, but Temu actually built an easier method right into the app. All you have to do is open the Temu app and look for the support button. Once you tap that, you'll see an option to chat with Temu, which is Temu's AI assistant. Go ahead and open that chat. Now here's the trick. In the message box, simply type, "Remove my minimum spend limit." That exact phrase works best because it triggers the automated system Temu uses to change spending restrictions on your account. Press enter, and then just wait a moment. The AI will generate a response. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, so give it a little time to load. Once the AI replies, you'll usually see a short explanation and sometimes a couple of quick questions. If it asks anything, just answer normally. If needed, repeat the request one more time. "Please remove my minimum spend limit." After that, the system processes the change, and your account should no longer be blocked by that requirement. No tickets, no long wait times, just quick and done. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this helped you out, make sure to hit like so more people can find this fix. And if you want more fast tutorials like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'm always dropping new tips that save you time, money, and frustration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.